Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Fazlur Rahman from Caravan Chrysler. Today we are going to see about how to pair a Bluetooth device in Grand Caravan GT. So as you know, there is no special buttons here to connect a Bluetooth. It has to be, everything is over voice recognition. So here's how we pair a Bluetooth device. Setup.
Select one of the following. Bluetooth device pairing. Select
Bluetooth device pairing.
Do you want to pair a device? Delete it.
Pair a device.
Refer to www.uconnectphone.com for a list of supported Bluetooth devices. Please say a 4-digit PIN number.
0000.
PIN code 0000. Is this correct?
Yes.
Please say the name of the device after the beep.
Mohammad Fazlur Rahman's iPhone.
Adding.
Mohammad Fazlur Rahman's iPhone.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Assign a priority level between 1 and 7. 1 is the highest priority.
3. Mohammad Fazlur Rahman's iPhone.
Set to priority 3. Is this correct?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on device. See device manual for instructions.
So that's how it is. So you just have to switch on the Bluetooth in your phone and you will find a UCONNECT in your list of devices. You just have to select that UCONNECT and enter your passcode as 0000 and the phone will be connected, all your contacts and everything will be connected to your device and you can start using it. Right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.